Hi guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this modern minimalist poster design in Photoshop. Let's get started. First, let's create the background. Go to File New and create your document with the background color of your choice. I'm using the color code shown here. Next, select the rectangle tool from the shape tools and create a rectangle. Hold Alt to make more copies. Now select each shapes layer, adjust them from corner to make a nice look. Now let's add our main image. Go to File, Place Embedded and import your image. Press Enter to confirm. Next, go to Select Subject to automatically select the person. Once the subject is selected, press Ctrl+J to place it on a new layer. You can then remove the original image layer if you don't need it. Next, we'll add some additional shapes to make the design more interesting. For the small decorative lines, select the polygonal lasso tool and create a few thin selections. Hold Shift to add multiple selections. Then select the paint bucket tool and fill them with white. Add text. For the small tagline, select the line tool from the shape tools. Set the color to black and create a thin horizontal line. Next, we'll create the small circular elements. Select the ellipse tool and create a circle. For the fill, choose a gradient and adjust the desired colors to match the design. Now, add the small circle shape. Once you're happy with the circle, hold Alt and drag to create multiple copies. Arrange them together to create this decorative pattern. Now let's add the main typography. Select the text tool and add your title or design text. I add my channel name. Now select the text tool again and add your smaller text elements. You can add a tagline, notice, numbers, or any other information that fits your poster. Go Layer Style, enable Drop Shadow. Finally, adjust the font, size, spacing, and positioning of all the elements until everything looks balanced. And that's it. Here's the final result. As you can see, with just a few simple shapes, a clipped subject, typography, and some small decorative elements, you can create a clean and modern minimalist poster design in Photoshop. I kept the tutorial simple and step-by-step, so you can easily recreate the design yourself. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more Photoshop tutorials.